Hello everyone, this is my review of the POWEROWL high-capacity alkaline AA batteries. First, the 10-year leak-free shelf life. Stood out knowing these will last in storage without corroding or damaging devices gives me peace of mind. In everyday use, remote controls, flashlights, clocks, kids' toys, they held up well, no sudden dropouts or weak performance when the devices needed a quick jolt. They're clearly labeled not rechargeable, so I use them in devices suited for disposable alkaline cells. Overall, these AA batteries deliver dependable power for general household use with the bonus of a long shelf life. They're a solid pick if you want trustworthy, everyday batteries. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.